everyone.
Hello everyone.
Today we are going to be talking about skincare. So how you take care of your skin, how you do your face wash, your scrubs. So yeah, what's your regime?
Well guys, I've recently discovered using bicarbonate of soda to exfoliate my skin. It helps me remove, because I've got very oily skin, and it breaks out sometimes. So I love to use it to clear my face off of oils and dead skin. To basically just wash it off. I actually use it with just water, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I mix it up with water, and then I exfoliate my skin and leave it for about 3 minutes. Leave it on, and it sucks off the oils in my skin, and you can feel it becomes very soft afterwards. Very, very soft and supple. I use just that about 3 times a week. And I'm happy with bicarbonate of soda because it's something you can find in your kitchen.
It's in your supermarket. You can buy it from your nearest supermarket. It's cheap, it's reasonable, it's affordable.
It's everywhere. And I use lemon if I want to lighten, the knuckles. The knuckles in my hands. I use 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, and I use lemon juice. And I mix it up together, and I use it to exfoliate my hands, my knuckles, and it lightens them because they tend to be dark. Yes, because of the sun and all the harsh elements. So I just scrub it down, and also under my armpits. You can use that.
Yes, you can.
And
even on your legs.
Yes, on your legs, your knees, even your feet.
Yes.
I prefer not to use it on my face though, because the face is very sensitive. The lemon, I don't use it together. So I use it for my body together. It helps to clear off the dead skin, and it lightens. The elbows, the knuckles, the elbows, my knees, and my underarms, and my inner thighs.
Yes, it works, guys.
You can leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, leave it on, and then wash it off with cool water. It actually helps, and it lightens your skin, and it removes the dead skin cells. And it becomes smoother, and you can enjoy that. And afterwards, I use this oil. It's mustard seed oil. It's very, very good. Because it has a natural SPF of 30.
You can see, guys, mustard seed oil. You can find it in your Oriental shops. Where they sell seeds, you can find this mustard seed oil.
It helps with the sun because we live in a very warm climate in South Africa. You can use that. I mix it up with my body lotion. And it's got that natural SPF. And guess what, guys? It's anti-aging. It's got anti-aging benefits. I've been using it for about a year, and my skin tone has improved drastically. It also helps with the dead skin, and it hydrates your skin. You can use it to massage your body if you've got pain. Anywhere you've got pain, you can use it. You can mix it up with olive oil, or you can mix it up with coconut oil, because it's very, very pungent. It's strong. It's got a pungent smell, but it's good. It nourishes your skin, and it helps with the wrinkles as well. So you must get all of these, guys.
Yes, you have to.
In your cupboard.
It's very important. So I hope, guys, that was helpful.